Hello everyone, merge sort. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It is also a recursive algorithm, and that's why we did this lesson with recursion. It has two phases, a splitting one and a merging one. During the splitting phase, the elements are being splitted and then will be merged. The splitting phase leads to a faster sorting during the merging phase, so you can't have one without the other. The splitting is logical. We don't create new arrays. It is an O log n algorithm. We are repeatedly dividing the array in help during the splitting phase. It is not an in-place algorithm, and it is also a stable algorithm. What do? We divide the array in the middle into unsorted arrays. Then we go left and start splitting the arrays in the middle again and again until we have a bunch of one element arrays. Just try to imagine it. Then I will show you how to do it. Then we do the same thing to the right side. So we first take the array, we split it in half, in two parts, and then we take the left side, we split it again into parts, then we take it again, we split it into parts, and so on, until we have only one element arrays. Thus, I will give you now a tip. A one element array is sorted by default because there is only one element in it. Then we enter the merging phase once we have splitted everything. We unite every left and right pair into a sorted array. Then we have two element arrays. Then we merge this left and right pair into four element sorted arrays. We repeat until we have one sorted array. Now let's do an example. Let's say that we have this array and we want to sort it using the merge sort. We start above, as you can see, and then we split the array into two halves, a green one and a yellow one. Each part has three elements. Then we take the left one and we split it again, and we have one element array and a two element array. Then we split it again, and we have, you can see at the bottom, one element 18, one element 42, and one element minus 8. Then we go to the right half, to the yellow part, and we split it, because there we have three elements. Then we have a 4 element, which is alone, and that's what we want, and we have a 2 elements array, 60 and minus 77. Then we split it again, and we have the bottom line 18, 42, minus 8, 4, 60 and minus 77. All of them are one element arrays, so they are separate from each other. And then once we have split them, we start merging them. We start again from the top. We have all of the elements, they are splitted and they are alone, and then we take the two first elements, the 18 and the 42, and we see that they are already sorted. Then minus 8 comes to play, and then we have a sorted 3 element array, minus 8, 18 and 42. And then the right side we do the same thing. We take the two elements, the symlink left and right arrays, we merge them, we change the position because the left element is bigger from the right element, and then we merge again the 4 and the minus 77 and 60 to a 3 element array. Again we change the position of the 4 and the minus 77 because the minus 77 is smaller, and then we are at the point that we have two arrays, two 3 element arrays, the blue one and the yellow one. Then we merge these two into a big green one, and during the merging phase we check again the left and the right elements. and we change the position of them if one of them is smaller as the other, and we end up with a sorted array. I know that was a little bit too much to explain in theory, but at our next video we will see how can you program it, and I will try to explain it as better as I can, because the code is even, it was something more complex as docking, but you can get it once you have written it.